not common sense that there would be a way they couldn't support a lot of those different versions, but they can't. So okay, let's go back here. What is going on? What is he doing? So the cloud I just brought on, I think, is just reading my whole code base again. I probably should just tell him what I want him to do. I thought I had well, I know I have a Cloud MD that I could just have them read that, and it would really give them a synopsis of my code base. But if I don't think about doing that, then they just kind of read through everything, and it's kind of big. I have a fucking very big code base at this point. So I have to streamline that process a little bit. Oh, mother of God. So this is our 6th deployment failure. It's been tying up cloud code for about an hour now, so that's why I brought in another one. Oh, wait. I have to put the version of Nixpacks in my secrets for some reason. That's kind of weird. Alright. play the radio station that we created for Eighth Wave. Actually, I can do it right here. No, all my sites are down right now, actually. I guess I'd be concerned except for that it's a migration, so it's expected, and we're not in production. Thank God I pushed production back. We need some music either way. Let's get some noise going on here. Jeez. Alright, whatever. Wait, it's exactly in the way. Okay, what the... Did we just do another one? See if I can direct cloud code into creating a good website for us for the radio station functionality. I want people to feel like they own the radio station, which they do. They own the API. It's their feed, and we're just gonna provide them with the service to broadcast it. But they should also have like kind of a splash page. They should be able to have enough that's configurable and that they can design, to make it their own. I really need like 2 more monitors here, to be honest. 2 more monitors, and I'd be able to do. I could use another computer, I guess. And we're going through the speakers. Yeah, let's just do that. I need some music regardless. Here's my personal Facebook. That's me. Just in case you didn't know who I was, it's me. And I post a lot of stuff about the company from here, but most of it's from my band. And when I post a lot of stuff about the company, people stop engaging with me. So this is going to be more on my personal page from now on, and the company page will be sticking it to here, which nobody knows about this one either that much, but on Facebook, and I have a Facebook group too. But it is basically based on AI musicians. So it's one niche that I'm servicing, one that I'm pretty, I don't know if I'm deep into the community, but I'm one of the early people to service AI musicians, because I am one. I'm a regular classical musician, AI musician, whatever. Make music, I'm happy with that, as far as I'm concerned. So, yep, this one right here. Music Alliance. And I guess I should invite some people. I already invited everybody. This is from my work account. This isn't right. Do I have to check everybody and then invite them? Is that how it goes? Whatever. Yeah, that's not right. That's not me. Someone that followed me. My X account is so small, it's crazy. I have like 10 followers, maybe. So I'm just starting out with that. I don't even know if I have 10. I might have 8. It's fun starting from scratch, though, right? Just see what you can do with it. It's interesting, I think. So while I'm in the middle of like waiting for deployments, Cloud's reading my repo, that's when I have time to like do some posts or, you know, do any sort of reaching out. I was trying to like take a whole day to do social media. That was yesterday. I ended up doing something else. I can't remember. Oh yeah, actually I completed the radio app yesterday. So that was worth it. Jeez, let's go to my profile. At least we can look at my profile while I'm dealing with this stuff. 10 followers. Yep, there we go. Alright, he's finally read my repo. I don't know why it took so long. Now he says yes, he's going to create a nice, engaging website for me. So after all that, we're ready to go. And he's off and running. I don't know what he's going to do now. Meanwhile, we're deploying again. Is it happening? Deploying means it's in the action of deploy. So currently it's going. They're trying. They're failing. Everything's ridiculous. Well, it'll fail, and then I'll get the real solution from Cloud, and it'll work. And I don't know. It takes like 10 iterations for me to get the real solution. It's kind of crazy. Sometimes. Occasionally it's like that. Funny thing is I can't find a way to play some good music, and I just created a radio station, but I think that we're like not able to get the back end working. That's what I'm looking for, is the music. Come on, what the heck? Okay, it officially failed now. I don't know what to say. It's amazing to me that these version mismatch things come up. I mean, I don't know the technicalities of it all, but you'd think that all these worldwide services would kind of be hooked up with each other on what, versions they support, like the latest versions. Wouldn't you want to support them? Shouldn't everybody be on the same page? Fuck. What does he want from me? He wants to downgrade one of the packages so that it'll match with the version that Railways will work with, because the package isn't supported by the other version of a different piece of software that we have. I'm trying to just communicate what happened to him, to Cloud, so he can give me the next solution, which is going to be the right one probably. He's trying to read from my band website now. Okay, so the second Cloud is getting a little confused here. I didn't give him a lot of direction, but I did tell him what I have as far as my website, and now he's looking into my band repo. End of Eternity for styles and CSS. So I'm going to have to explain something to him. I have to get into my head how I'm going to explain this to him, if I can understand what he's doing. Okay, let's see what the other guy's talking about. Oh great, we're compacting, okay. So this has been a very not smooth transition into the day. Whisperflow is not working at all at the moment while I'm getting loaded up here. Maybe that's why. I feel like I just have to open it up sometimes and close it. Is that right? I don't know. We're talking about a website for the Etherwave radio app. End of Eternity is a totally different repo. I don't know what he's doing. I told him once, but he probably didn't see it. Current website is what? he found the reason. Build is now using Node 22, failing because it doesn't exist. Found the issue, he says. Let's see what that means. Okay, so he updates the start script, pointing to the correct location now. npm run start, which will use the corrected path. As long as I have a general idea of what's going on, I'm okay. Alright, what's going on here? Okay. Drive mobile app downloads. Yes. Not quite sure I understand what this website's for. It's for my radio station, but the service is to provide radio stations to other people. But this one's certainly, I think, the app homepage, in which case we need to advertise that we're... No, wait, this is my station's homepage. Everybody should get one of these. Okay, wait a second. Confirm that this is the homepage for the Etherwave radio station. Beyond this, we need to create a splash page for the application so that other users can create their own stations. This is the project for tonight for this guy, I believe. What is up? Is he thinking about this? Okay. He just wrote something for me. He's like, here you go then. I think he was ignoring me. What is this? What kind of a file is this? Oh my God, he wrote a whole fucking... Oh, here's my new web page. It's always so interesting to see what they give you. It's like, hey, well, here's a huge page for you. And that was weird looking. Okay, I agree with that. Just let's see what you got. This is fun. This is the fun part. It creates a new page for me. After I accept it, without looking at it, I could take a look. That's the reveal. Okay, he didn't confirm anything. He's just going with what I say, which usually means, yep, you're right, let me do it. He wants to skip that confirmation part and just go ahead and build something. the hell's going on over here? Okay. After deployment succeeds, still need to add these environment variables. I did that already, I think. Yeah, I definitely did that. Ah, shit. Okay, so I see failed here on this deployment from Railway. I don't know, like, where we're at with this, but I think the last one failed again. Time is it? 37. So this is 14 minutes ago. I think I did one since then. Okay, here we go. Deploying. It's still deploying, right? Okay. Fixes confirmed and working locally. All I know is it says deploying. It says failed. This one says deploying. Wait. This just changed to failed. Okay, this one just failed right now, I think. 55. Wait. 238, which is now. Okay, so that wasn't the final fix. We're going to see what happens here now. Cloud does not like being wrong, so he's going to find a way to get this fixed. And I think it's just a matter of trying to find the easiest, most efficient, and still most robust services allowed with the fix. So he's iterating down to where he's going to be like, okay, we just have to give him exactly what they asked for, even if it's not optimal for us. And here we have another, what is this? Another website he built for me. So Cloud has built me 2 websites on the right side. And I have to take a look at them, but yeah. Alright. Yeah. Looks good. Oops, I copied in, I think, a message that he copied to me. Wait, oh. Unable to transfer files. He did not get my last message. .240, 431, deploy logs. Boy, okay, this is it. We're getting closer. All right, main radio landing page. Let's take a look at it. Very excited. This one right here. Create station. And then we have the create a station splash page for the app where people can create their own station. Let's look at our station's homepage first. Okay, not bad. It's definitely better than it was before. And we have a little player here. That does not actually play anything, but that's alright. This looks like splash page for the create your own station, so I have to reconcile what this is for, because he has another one made. Create a station. Let's see what that one does. Create your own radio station. Oh, I would like to listen now to my station. There we go, some music. Oh yeah, we're not connected. Oh boy, okay. Listen live, get started. We'll just have to get into the details a little bit later, once I get everything online again. But at least we're getting a little bit of design, something a little more interesting going up there. Build succeeded locally, great. Hit and push. Railway auto deploys. Now that we're deploying directly from GitHub. And this was the problem. TSC compiles separate files requiring ESS modulation resolution. Hey, okay, I believe you. Hero section. Okay, let's see what he believes he's made here. I see. The page actually keeps scrolling. I did not continue going. Here's my radio station right here. You can also get the app from here. Here's Etherwave Radio. So this is where you'd stop and play it. It's right in the. It's a hero section right in the middle of everything else. I don't know if that's the best place for the actual player to be, but might be okay. And then we have the call to action for you to get the app here. Okay. Let's see what the other one is. Seems like a similar type of goal for both of these. Create your own radio station. Sure. These are not the prices, by the way. These are arbitrary things he's put in there. I haven't even discussed this with myself. how that's going to work out yet. I kind of built the app, put the service out there. Now I have to like read the build to know what the hell's going on with it. Okay, that's what it does. It's a pretty cool system and a service. As soon as it actually gets live, I'll be publishing to the App Store. I'll be hashing out what the details are. I'll be adding these to current account levels for the platform. It's all starting to coalesce into one thing, but it's all going to be one sign-in. And then, yeah, this is just an added service with a mobile app also that you can use. I think we're going to figure it out. We'll figure it out. You know, I'm creating all the different services and starting with the mobile apps, and you know, just it'll all coalesce at some point, and it's starting to. It's nice to have like these abstract ideas and, you know, build it up. You can actually build it now without having to worry about months and months of prep and teams. You can build it and then decide how it all works together. It was cost prohibitive before, for sure, but now it's almost the way you have to do it. You should do it. You should get everything out there that you can, have a satellite of services, apps, and a platform, and then, you know, decide how you want it to be structured and presented and available. As long as you have the services and everything built out, that's the first step. And I think you used to have to plan it quite a bit more, because you can't just throw away something that you spent 6 months building with a team and paying developers. You can't just throw it out. But here I've built apps and services in a day, half a day. So if it doesn't work out or it doesn't fit in with what I need, throw it on the back burner and build something that will work. Something like that. You never know what's going to happen.